Today, I'm going to interview three of staff of my officer. It's about three things of intellectual property. First is about trademark. Second is copyright. Then third is a patent. Now we go to find the information. Let's go to the session. Assalamualaikum, Miss. I'm student from UMK. And I came here for some study about intellectual property. And may I know the step of copyright registration? Can you explain a little bit about it?
Okay, thank you for coming. Okay, if you follow this chart, this flow chart, it will be very easy. Okay, in application. First of all, there are two types of application. Which one is notification of work and the other one is derivative works. Okay, for derivative work, it means the transformation or adaptation from the original work to a new work. Okay, after that, you can appoint a representative. Okay, it can also, if you don't want to appoint a representative. Okay, if you appoint a representative, you need to fulfill the form CR3, which this form CR3 is about the detail of this representative. Okay? Okay, after you fulfill all the form,
All the three types.
yes, all the three type of form, you need to go to the counter and seek for examination. The examination is all about the types of works, the author, about the licensee and so on. And after you make a payment and get the receipt, it is the end of application process. So the data that you make will be recorded. And if you want to make any changes, okay, the amendment, okay, will be recorded. So that your new, maybe you want to change the address or other
information.
Yes, other information, it will be recorded. That's all for copyright.
I'm student from UMK. I came here for some study about intellectual property. And as I know you as an officer of patent, and can you explain the step of registration on intellectual property about the patent?
Yes, thank you. There are 9 sections in the form 1. The first is about the title of invention. Okay. Second is about the applicant information, and the third about the inventor information. And the fourth and the fifth is about agent or representative and divisional application. And after that is about disclosure about the prior art as the patent. And next is priority claim and the checklist, and the last is about the signature. Okay, about the applicant invention is just the applicant state the title, and the applicant can be use his name or the company or both. And about the priority claim, the application must be filed not more than 12 months. It means in a year before the filing date of application. While the last is the signature, the applicant has to sign and state the individual name, but not the company name. Signature are just about the agent or applicant name. The physical requirement of the patent, the application or any a company's statement must be filed in duplicate. It means they are another copy, but the registrar may require that they be filed more than 2 copies. Okay. And the document must be presented direct, either photography, electrostatic, or microfilm. Okay. And the next, all the paper or the sheet shall be free from crack or crease, and only one side. There are no another side, the backward, which means the first side only. Okay. Okay. Overall, the application and the associated statement shall be filed in the national language, which means English. That's our main linguistic. Okay. I think that's all I can explain to you about the procedure and requirement for registration of patent. Okay.
Thank you for your information.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Okay, after I got the information about the trademark and patent, now I want to know about the information about the trademark.
Okay, trademark.
Can you explain a little bit about the step or
Of trademark.
yes, I have to follow to.
Okay, actually there are a few basic steps to register trademark. You can register through manual and online also. Okay, for the basic simple step to register trademark, the first one you need to fill out the form, which is what we call TM5 form. So in that form, you need to fill out for the new application, well-known mark, or certification of trademark. And the second step is what trademark you want to represent on behalf of your company or whatever, such as logos, pictures, names of the trademark. And then the limitations. The limitation whereby if your trademarks consist of any other non-Roman characters, such as the words Chinese, Arabic, or Japanese, that kind of words, right? Okay. And then class, number of class, and then list of goods or services, whereby goods or services which falling within more than one international class are subjected to separate application, which means you need to make a different separation of form for yeah. And then the sixth, full name and address of your applicants, your full name and address, and if you have agent on behalf of yours, you need to include his or her names and address as well. And then agent's registration number, if you know, also agent's phone reference. And then for the foreign application, which priority date is claimed under the International Convention or a bilateral agreement arrangement. And the second last one, date of first use of the mark in Malaysia, if any. The first year you use that trademark. And the last one is the declaration. Declaration whereby you include your signature, name of your names, telephone number, dates, and also your email. Okay, so that is what I explained about how to register about the trademark. And if you want to to appoint someone on behalf of yours as an agent, you need another form. Yes, another form. And also you can make and then the form, the registration form, you have to pay for 370 ringgit. Yes, for fees.
To ask some question. Is there any other related form of trademark?
Actually we have a few other related form to trademark, which is the first one, the application of renewal or registration of the trademarks agent, which you can renew your agent. You have to fill out a new form, other form. And then there's also a form for trademarks request for search, whereby if you want to know whether the trademark has already been registered in my IPO. Okay, and then
if he already registered.
Actually, my IPO provide you. You can use their website to search whether that trademark is been registered, but they also charge you for 20 ringgit per hours to find for that information. And also besides that, request for approval for expedited examination of a trademark application. And I think that's all.